Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that has caught our attention, the Camic blender and food processor combo. We discovered this versatile appliance online and have included a link in the description for you to check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Camic blender and food processor combo? This 6-in-1 kitchen appliance combines the functionality of a powerful blender and a food processor, making it an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking or meal prepping. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, chopping vegetables, slicing fruits, shredding cheese, grinding spices, or even mixing dough, this appliance can handle it all with ease. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First off, the Camic is equipped with a robust 600-watt motor, which means it can tackle tougher ingredients like frozen fruits and hard cheeses without breaking a sweat. The large 72-ounce blender pitcher and the 64-ounce processor bowl are perfect for preparing family-sized meals or batch cooking, which is especially handy for meal preppers and those who love entertaining guests. Another excellent feature is the 6 versatile presets, which include options like ice crush, dough mix, and chopping, along with a pulse control function. This allows you to customize your food preparation experience, whether you need coarse chopping for a salad or a fine puree for a smoothie. The adjustable speed dial gives you precise control, ensuring you achieve the perfect texture every time. The Camic combo comes with an impressive 11-in-1 accessory set, which includes a variety of attachments such as a dough blade, S-shaped blade, slicing and shredding discs, and even a citrus juicer. This makes it an all-in-one powerhouse for anyone who enjoys cooking, baking, or experimenting in the kitchen. Now, let's discuss who this product is suitable for. If you're a busy home cook, a baking enthusiast, or someone who simply wants to simplify their food preparation process, this kitchen appliance is perfect for you. Its intuitive design and ease of use make it accessible for anyone, from beginners to seasoned chefs. Practical use cases for the Camic include preparing healthy smoothies for breakfast, making a fresh salsa for your next gathering, or even whipping up dough for homemade pizza on a Friday night. Plus, with all components being dishwasher-safe, cleanup is a breeze, meaning you can spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your delicious creations. One note to keep in mind, the Camic features an E1 error, which indicates that a component might be inserted incorrectly. Thankfully, there are indicator markings on the machine to guide you on how to lock everything in place correctly for optimal operation. In conclusion, the Camic blender and food processor combo is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that can transform your cooking experience. Whether for meal prep, entertaining, or everyday cooking, it simplifies the process and helps you create healthy, homemade meals with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.